I was talking to a guy a while ago, and he told me about how this scrapper once told him that they referred to junk dryers as piggy banks. Because I guess supposedly, when they're, tumbling all those clothes, the change falls out of the pockets and ends up, in the bottom somewhere. So they would always open them up before they scrap them to look for, free change. Now, this dryer was my mother's dryer. It just broke last fall and I replaced it. And before I throw it in the scrap pile, I decided I better open it up and check to see if inside there's some free money. It's actually quite interesting because this dryer she bought just over 40 years ago, brand new, and it was going strong until it finally went. I mean, it was banging and pounding, but it still dried clothes pretty good. See right here, it's just, an old Maytag, and that sucker just kept on going. I did replace it with a Speed Queen, so I'm hoping her new one lasts, just as long. Or anyways, let's open this sucker up and see if I can cash out. Well, so far nothing promising. I removed that back cover, and turns out I actually have no clue how to open this sucker up. I mean, I could have swore from a post on social media, a friend of mine who his dryer stopped working and he took it apart to see if he could fix it. I think he just opened the back of it up and there was like a big pile of quarters he found when he was in there, and I don't know. So I guess back at it. Alright, got it open. Looks like the front comes off of this one. Just a couple screws that were right about there and there in the bottom for the front door cover or whatever. And then a bunch of random hardware for the dust collection unit and the cover for the fan. So let me grab my light. You can see for yourself. There is nada, nothing, zip, zilch. Nothing in there. Nothing in there. That's of course the vent. And remember, we looked at the back side, that back cover, and there was nothing back there either. So, oh well, just nothing but a bunch of lint. I guess it was worth checking. There's no big payday or cash out for me. Good job, Mom, on checking the pockets. No loose change. Anyways, well, I guess I'd make a few cents maybe when I scrap it, or a few cents off of this video. But anyways, thanks for watching. Keep it real.